Hello guys, today I have got a Motorola Vervebuds 250 and I'm going to show you how to fix the battery level of your earbuds. It's not reliable. So actually the main cause of this may be broken battery sensor. Try to call the Motorola company, to the authorized service, and have it fixed. But if you want to try fixing it, on your own, before calling, before giving your headphones to some foreign person, the stranger, let's give it a try. So, at first, you need to try charging them up to 100%, leaving them plugged into the power for 5 hours, maybe 6, so that they are both case and earbuds 100% each. And apart from that charging, you need to wait 1 hour, maybe not 1 hour, but 30 minutes. You need to let them plug in, even though they are 100%. And after that, check if the battery is still not reliable. If it's still not reliable, you need to perform a factory reset. It's quite complex because at first you will need to power them off while they are out of the case. Then you will need to hold this button for 5 seconds. Then when you see that the lights go flashing blue and red, you will need to tap this touch areas over here 4 times. So actually there are no manual fixes for this. You can try to unpair your earbuds from your phone and then pair your earbuds with your phone back again, or use a different device to check the battery level. But when it comes to these solutions, that should be it. Goodbye.